Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Kean from Solar Europe. We've got some exciting news to share with you. If you've been following us for a while, you'll remember back in March 2024, we did a competition in partnership with SolaX. The challenge was any installer who purchased 10 or more SolaX systems through Solar Europe would qualify to win a trip to Hangzhou, China. The once-in-a-lifetime prize includes a 4-night, 5-day trip where you can explore the SolaX modern factory. Today we're excited to have the technical manager from SolaX here to help us announce the winner of this competition. Hello Rajen.
Hello Kean. Hello viewers. I am Rajen. I'm the technical manager for SolaX here in South Africa. We are excited to announce the winner of this amazing competition made possible between the partnership of Solar Europe and SolaX. So as Kean mentioned, the winner is a solar installer that's done 10 or more SolaX systems in 2024. So, the winner of this exciting competition is...
Congratulations, E7 Electrical. We will be reaching out to you to discuss the details very soon. And for everyone else watching, if you enjoyed this video or want to be part of future competitions and giveaways, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for the latest solar tips, expert advice, and so much more.